Recently, I've had a lot of people talking shit online, saying I must be compensating for something. I got a little dick because I got this big truck. And you know what? I'm honestly just tired of it. So I got this sticker printed out, Little Dick Big Dreams, and then my @ name, because you know, the people gotta know. So I'm just gonna embrace it at this point. Literally everywhere I go, that's the first thing people say. Oh, he's probably got a little dick. Oh, he's compensating. Oh, you know what? I'm just tired of it, man. You know, this shit's getting to me. So now you can't say nothing. Just know my dreams are bigger than my dick. Yo. Now I don't want to hear nothing. All right, guys, so today we are heading down to CarMax. Last time we went to CarMax, we brought the Hellcat down there and they gave me a ridiculously lowball offer. But today, we honestly don't got much going on, so I figured I'd bring the truck down there and see what they'll give us. So honestly, my opinion that this truck is worth like 55 to 60,000 is that's my guess what I would sell it for if I were to sell it. And I'm guessing they're gonna give me like, I don't know, like 30 grand or something. I think they're gonna hit me with some bogus offer, but it'll be fun. We're gonna see what they're gonna give us. And you know, if they give us enough money, your boy might feel like he needs to get rid of it. I don't know. We sold the Corvette, so maybe it's time to sell the truck. But we're heading down there right now. We're about 5 minutes out. I'm gonna stop and grab a drink. Maybe see if the homeless guy is in the same place he used to be. That'd be sick if he was still there.
Even the devil said you gotta like that.
I didn't get his name, but let's see if we can find him. We're heading there now, same in CarMax, so let's head down there. Boys, we have made it to CarMax. The homeless guy, he was nowhere to be found at the 7-Eleven, but you know, we're gonna find you one day, buddy, don't worry. I really don't know what to expect. I'm guessing they're not gonna pay me for any of the aftermarket stuff, but I don't know. So we have arrived, and I guess we're gonna go in and get as much film as we can. I don't know exactly what's gonna happen. We're gonna try to be low-key about it. I've seen other YouTubers film here, so I don't know why like you wouldn't be able to film, but I don't know. I guess we're gonna find out. See what it's worth. I heard you guys give a good offer around here. What do you want for it? I don't know. You see it out there? It's definitely not stocked. If I worked here and they gave like people lowball offers and they said yes to them, I would like pull out my own wallet and buy it.
Pay cash, yeah.
I get a little bit of information from you so our appraisal can come out here. First name's Judah, right?
Yeah, Judah.
Last name?
Finley.
Phone number?
239-672.
What year's the Ford?
It's a 2015 F350.
How high is the lift?
It's 13 inches. Do you need like my dick size on there or anything?
No.
No? They're always cracking the joke,
yeah,
man.
Nah, bro. My dad's got the same height, man. I think his is 12, bro.
Yeah?
It's nice. Nice truck.
Thank you, I appreciate it. You know, I got a good feeling. He's asking me about the rims. What do you think it's gonna be?
34.9.
And I got a question. How much do you think they're gonna offer me?
10,000?
You think so?
No, I don't know.
No.
Probably.
That'd be bad.
Yeah, that'd be real bad.
Yeah.
Like 20 at least.
Hopefully.
20?
25. How are you even
Yeah.
gonna get up there without a steps?
You just gotta jump. You wanna try?
Yeah, I don't think I...
Not today.
I need to get new steps, but I took them off. It's kind of sketchy getting out. I feel like I'm gonna break my ankle every time I get out.
Yeah, I mean, I definitely would.
Yeah, it's not very practical, but it looks cool. She was pregnant. Those guys kind of just tried me. They said 10 grand? I said, what do you think they're gonna offer me? They're like, oh, 10 grand, maybe 20 tops. Like, I'm a little offended. Like, I thought this thing looked a little bit more expensive than that. Like, whatever though, I guess. We're gonna see what the appraisal is. You gotta see under the hood. It's all custom turbo piping and stuff. All powder coated. I don't think that really makes a difference in the price. But
For this car, we're going to put it on the auction. And, I mean, there's people looking for cars like this.
Look, that's like 3-4 grand stuff. So maybe you could add that in there. 50 stacks, I would be like,
We'll get an Uber home.
Nico, it's a good day. I'm out. But I mean, if I post this for 50 stacks, it'd sell quick. But like, I check right now. We're going to the casino. I'm throwing it all on red. The trucks are red. Imagine
Hit big.
Imagine I lose it all. If I doubled it though, that would be so sick. Selling my red truck and then putting all the money on red. Sounds good. Put that in it too. And black smokes. Yeah, that's the price. It's like the owner of CarMax is like, yo, I want that. Like,
Yeah.
He's
Yeah,
like,
don't
Rich.
send it to auction. Yeah.
He's like, yo, whatever he wants. I think honestly the offer's gonna be like 30 high 30s, like 37.
Yeah, juicy offer.
You guys bring out cash, right? Like a briefcase? So the way he's talking, it makes me feel like they're gonna give me a pretty juicy offer. We're gonna see. Like, I don't know. I got high expectations. We might leave here without a truck. I said that about the Hellcat though, and then they gave me some bogus ass offer. Yeah, we'll Uber home. We'll be good.
Manager wants more pictures, so I'm just gonna go around.
All right. Cool. You want me in them? All right. No, I feel like if I'm in the picture, it might make the value a little higher. Dude, his boss, this is what's happening right now. Theoretically. His boss is like, that bitch is nice. I'm a cop it. And I'm a boss, so I'm gonna give that. I'm gonna buy that shit. His boss is like, listen, man, this is a private offer. I really like the truck. I'll give you 60 grand right now.
Wired.
And I'm gonna say, sir, you just buy yourself a truck. So if we sell this thing right now, they bring out a juicy offer, we're hitchhiking home. And we're going to the strip club. We can't do that. We're going to Chuck E. Cheese. Chuck E. Cheese is down the street with 60 bands. Imagine like, they're like, what happened, dude? Like, what'd you do with all your money? You're like, oh, Chuck E. Cheese, man. Place got me, man. You just don't go there. Like, suck me in.
2 hours later.
We need some guesses right now.
28.5. I'm gonna say 25.
25.
25.
My guess, I'm not looking. I'm not looking. Honestly, I think it's gonna be high because it took so long.
See, I don't know
It blows your mind that it's so low?
It blows my mind.
I'm gonna say 30.
22.3. 19.5.
Honestly, I'm just saying that though because if it's less than 30, I'm gonna feel like, wow, that's kind of embarrassing.
I think it's less than 30. I think it's less than 30.
All right, let's see it.
It's just because CarMax can't sell this, man. That's what it is.
Yeah,
they're not gonna be able.
Why? What's wrong with it?
It's because of the suspension. We can't.
Oh yeah, because if it broke or something. Oh my God! 24 grand? All right, I'll do it. Let's do it. You got the cash?
You want to sell it? We give you a check, bro.
Bro, if I sold this for 24 grand,
Yeah,
you should be like, hey man, listen, I'm going to the bank right now. I'm copping it.
Sure. I understand. It's just with CarMax, we're not going to be able to warranty the suspension, so that's why we can't.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, if the wheel falls off and then you get sued, it would cost you a lot more than what you'd make on it. So, do you think, in your personal opinion, it's less because of the suspension and stuff?
Yeah.
So, if this was a stock truck, you think I'd get more?
You'd probably get probably the same, to be honest with you.
I feel insulted. Not really. I don't really care. I knew it was going to be low.
24 because it's clapped. And
His little dick
too. Hey, wait! This says Big Dreams right there.
Oh shit!
Big Dreams.
They gave me an extra 1,000 for that.
Yeah, dang.
All right, boys. Well, we're leaving right now, and I honestly felt like I just left GameStop. CarMax is like the GameStop of adults. Like, think about all the times when you're a little kid, you bring in all your games you spent mad money on, and like, you think they're worth all this money, and you bring them in and they give you this crappy offer. That's how I feel right now. But I will see you guys tomorrow, and I gotta show you guys the Hellcat. I gotta show you my truck, so let's do it. All right, boys, we're at the gas station, and I am about to fill this sucker up because we're pretty low on fuel. And then we're about to head back to the house, give you guys a little update on the Hellcat, and also give you a little update on my paint issues with my truck. Last time you saw this truck, before we went to CarMax, it was all taken apart, getting painted. It got painted, and the color isn't looking too hot. So, a little bit of a drama. I got the camo. You gotta put these bitches in 4-wheel drive to hop out of this thing. Gonna bust an ankle. Gonna fill this thing up, and as you can see, look at the bed. You can't really see on camera, but they're two different colors. So I'm gonna talk about that once we get home. But let's fill this thing up and see how much it costs. Your boy also got a haircut. Boy, your boy's putting diesel in it. Never again will we put gas in this truck. Me and this truck have been through a lot. Put gas in it, bought it stock, had it on different wheels. You know, she's came a long way. Should we keep her around, or what do you guys think? Should we do something new? $43.70. She wasn't all the way empty though. But let's head to the house and let me show you what's going on with this bed and also what's going on with the Hellcat. Alright guys, so we made it home, and as you can see, the bed is not looking too hot. So literally, like I said, I got this sprayed and the color didn't come back out very good. He also painted the badges. The badges came out perfect. He painted the front bumper and the plastic. The plastic came out perfect. Painted the grill, and the grill came out perfect. So I don't know why that stuff came out so perfect and the bed didn't. I guess it's because he got to spray this in the booth, and this he didn't get to spray in the booth because the truck's so big and he didn't want to pull the bed off. And he kind of just gave up on me. He's like a friend of mine, so it's not like a big deal. I'm bringing it to another guy now. And also I got this bumper plastic painted, and this isn't looking too hot either. I don't know if you can tell, but this does not match this. So we got a little bit of an issue here, but the dent's gone. He did a good job on the bodywork, and I don't know. I'm bringing it to a new guy Monday. I'm dropping it off, and we're gonna resand, or I'm not going to, but he's gonna resand the bed, respray it, and hopefully the color will be spot on. If it's not, we're gonna have to figure it out, because I ain't stopping. I ain't riding around with no bed that doesn't match, but it is what it is. I'm not really stressing it. This is a really hard color to paint. It's a 3-stage paint. The base is a certain color, the candy is a certain color, and the clear is a different color, and there's 29 different variations of this color. So that's a lot of stuff that could go wrong. Oh, and also check out the little avalanche I got going on. This is a little flip of mine. I'm gonna make some money on that bad boy. But the Hellcat is still a sitting duck. It's all taken apart, valve covers are off, blowers off, and I'm waiting on the snout to come in. I don't know what's going on with that. They still haven't even received the snout. Part of me thinks that it might have got lost in shipping, but I'm not gonna jinx it. I don't know, it's really not good, to be honest. We're dealing with some serious stuff. We'll figure it out, it is what it is. I feel like I say it is what it is a lot. I mean, what am I gonna do, stress? I can't stress about the things I can't control, so we're just gonna keep pushing, and the wheels still aren't powder coated. Hopefully they'll get powder coated this week. I'm gonna put the new tires on the back. I got tires over there. These tires are pretty bald that I pulled off on here. And for the quad, oh, by the way, I sold my KTM dirt bike a while back. I'm getting a new dirt bike. I wanna build a supermoto. Quad, I'm thinking about selling it. I just posted it up because I want to build a supermoto, and I'm trying to get rid of all my toys so I can get new stuff, because I've had the same stuff for a while now. So that's the update on all this stuff. So that's a wrap for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys enjoyed that offer, because that offer was absolutely ridiculous. If you guys do want to buy my truck once it's all done, I'm thinking about selling it. I'm gonna be posting it for $60,000. And that's the price. So if not, I kind of love it a lot, so I don't really want to let her go. But you know, if the price is right, everything's for sale. So saying that, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Hope it was entertaining. New videos every Friday at 8 o'clock. And yeah, peace.